So hello everyone. I just wanted to share my experience of using my MacBook Air M1 with a damaged screen. My screen got damaged through a small accident basically, and so the screen got damaged from here to the small crack over here, and now the entire display is not working. I'm not able to see anything on the MacBook, and the first thing that came to my mind is to replace it, right? So I went to the stores and I got to know like third party replacements cost me around like 21 to 25,000, and Apple authorized displays, they range between 40 to 50,000, so they are on the higher side. So I was like, this doesn't make sense to replace the screen with that much high amount. So because this is a MacBook Air M1 and I bought this in 2018, if I'm not wrong, yeah, 2018, and it's been like some 7 to 8 years I'm using this, and it has worked fabulously well for me, and I've been using it flawlessly, and till today also this machine is very capable of doing all the tasks that I basic tasks, basically like running the Chrome and doing basic editing or something like that. It does all fine. So I just wanted to show you the setup that I'm using currently. So if anyone's like is curious to know like if their screen is damaged, what they can do in a more cheaper way, right? So what I've done is I bought this Acer monitor from Amazon, and this costed me around like 6,000, and I had this keyboard, Logitech keyboard K380, and this mouse as well from before itself. So now I'm using it. So what I've done is I've plugged in the laptop uh, here with this what is this hub, USB hub, and I've connected the monitor through the HDMI cable, and so this laptop is currently in a clamshell mode. So I'll just show you what is a clamshell mode. Now if I turn this off, now you can see that I can see my whole screen, like basically my whatever is not being seen in the damaged display, I can see on the external display. So this is called a clamshell mode. The only thing is it has to be plugged in always. So it is like a Mac Mini where it has to be plugged in. You cannot use it as a laptop. But yeah, so it's a very cheap way of using it. But yeah, it does work really well, right? So yeah, so I just wanted to show you the display, sorry, the monitor that I am using currently. This works really well, and this is the keyboard that I'm using currently, right? And so the keyboard and the mouse, I connected it previously itself when I bought it, but I was not using it. So when this laptop went in a clamshell mode, so because of the Bluetooth thing, it just got connected, and it is working. So now everything. So what I do is every day when I have to work, I just plug in this MacBook, and I just turn on the keyboard from here and the mouse at the back from here, and then automatically, because it's wireless, it just connects. Make sure you never shut down the laptop, because turning on the Bluetooth will become a problem. But yeah, if you want to wirelessly connect the like not wirelessly, if you want to connect it with a wired keyboard also, you can connect it over here, right? If you're through the USB, and also a wired mouse also you can connect, so that also can work. But what I do currently is I just will tell you, I never shut down the laptop, because if I do, then I cannot open the Bluetooth setting from here, so it becomes a problem. So that's why I always keep it in a sleep mode, and then I'll just uh, power of the current supply, and then somehow it works. So currently it's working well for me. So I am planning to buy a new MacBook Air M5 down the lane. So till then I'll be using this setup. I'm not currently using as a laptop. It's just like more of a what is like a PC,